Here are dual zone Panasonic and Fujitsu air conditioners. Dual split air conditioners running on a 88-degree day at 11:43. Yes. Really quiet. Okay, so here's the data tab. Where's the model? Okay, model number CU-D34-DBHH, serial number 72598-11675. It's from 1998. 11 freaking 1998. This is not running the Fujitsu. And then there's dual zone, national. It's faded, but I can barely make it. The data sheet is faded, but I can barely make it. Okay, so 1994. That one's faded too. 1995. That's a dual. Liquid lines, outdoor temperature. Suction line is cold but sweaty. This one has a compressor, Fujitsu quiet compressor. This is from 2000. It's from 2000. Model number AOI 36APA3L. So that's this Fujitsu General Limited. Well, that's all for now. See you soon.